I don't think I need quite 10 seconds. Hey everybody, and welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working with the homemade sweetness papers. I just wanted to show you what they look like. So this is a perfect paper pack for if you love fruit, if you love jam, if you love jamming season, or just old-fashioned, super cute. And then the other side of these are nice and generic and gorgeous. Love these two, especially, but very fun. So this homemade sweetness has a made with sweetness scrapbooking workshop. And so we've got the cutting guide and the assembly instructions in here. It looks like the added feature is interactive pockets and embossing folder details. So that's fun. But what it does is it has several sheets of paper from the homemade sweetness paper pack. They're exactly the same. There's 5 sheets of those. And then we've got some extra papers. Looks like 2 each. Oh, no. 2 each of one and 1 each of 2 others. Some special papers. We've got a bunch of cardstock in here. And then somewhere in here is the sticker sheet. Super cute. And we've got some die cut shapes, lots of circles, and lots of cuteness. So in here is the supplies to create your made with sweetness, only with basic supplies like trimmer and glue. And so that is getting us ready for April. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.